Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Calls, and I'm going to show you off a neat little thing. So since Apple has made MagSafe a bit of a thing to help really push the wireless QI charging, you don't have to have an Apple to get that. So some of these companies out there like Scosche, and I really like Scosche as a company. I've got a lot of great products from them that actually work really well. They make these adapter kits, essentially. You can put them on your device and use it. And I've been using that on my old 7 Pro for the Magic Mount. I mean, if you've seen that already. And so when I got my new 8, I kind of missed that. So I had to go get one of these adapter rings. So they come for 25 bucks. You get either the plate, so it sits like that, and that will definitely really stick nicely. A lot of surface area with that plate. Or you can do it with just the ring. So if it's going to stick there, just the ring. So whatever way you prefer, that'll work. And the way it does is you take a look at this little handy dandy chart to see where would you put this on your device. So where do you put it on the top? I don't have a Pixel 8 on here. I have the 7, which is close enough to the 8. So you line it up with the top, give or take that number 5, hold it around the back, and so it's almost pretty well centered on that G. I don't have to be super anal retentive about it myself. We can just roughly plop it there. And I know that works because I have another device that I tried that out on. This is, I want to give you a review on this, and being able to plop it directly on it, and it still works. So I'm looking forward to being able to put that back in the car in the morning and have it sit on the Magic Mount. Okay, so how you install it, essentially, yeah, let's just take the tape off of it there, and wow, we might as well put that on there so we know it was roughly about that. And again, somebody's going to be like, well, it's not dead center, what exactly you need. But, you know, for the girls I go with, it's going to be just fine. Now, my Type A personalized is going to want the logo on the bottom. Line it up. Middle, middle, middle. And we're just going to plop that on there. And there we go. And that has really fit on my 7 Pro for a long, long time, and it actually really held well. So I'm looking forward to being able to do that. So like, here's a Magic Mount speaker. Holds it just well. So there we go. And 25 bucks. You get 2 of them. So if you got another device, like I got a few more here, I can definitely be using that. I'll have a little bit right up on the website. If you have any questions, 25 bucks, definitely well spent to start using these Magic Mounts with your device. You don't have to be an Apple user. Okay, thanks. We'll talk soon.